The Note 9 will launch at Samsung's New York event on 9th of August. Samsung has officially revealed that the 9th generation of its successful Galaxy Note phablet range will appear on 9th of August at its launch event in New York. The Note 9 has a tough act to follow given how well received the Note 8 was, which is a bit of a problem as, if rumors are anything to go by, the newer design is unlikely to deviate too much from last year's model. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 release date and price. Historically, the Note range has always bowed to the Galaxy S launch, giving the flagship smartphone plenty of time to hit the market before making an appearance later in the year. The Note 9 will be no different, with an official release date set on 9th of August, 8 months after the Galaxy S9 appeared at the Mobile World Congress. Despite its success, the Note 8 was shockingly expensive at £869. Without an official price tag, it's safe to assume that the Note 9 will follow the trend, likely to be nearer £900. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 design leaked images suggest the Note 9 will not look too dissimilar from the Note 8, which is always a little disappointing to see with any new release. If you're spending nearly £1,000 on a new device, you want it to stand out from what's come previously. It's also a little worrying that it appears to be heavier and thicker than the Note 8, and that the company's plans for features like an on-screen fingerprint reader appear to be on hold. Instead, a rear-mounted scanner will almost certainly be included. It's been suggested that a revamped S Pen may make an appearance. Although we lack official details, it's fair to say it will feature much higher levels of pressure sensitivity and better tilt support. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 specs. Again, in the absence of official details, we can only go off what rumors suggest, although we're unlikely to see any surprises at this stage. It's expected that the Note 9 will feature an edge-to-edge 6.4 Super AMOLED screen at a resolution of 2960 by 1440, essentially the same as last year's model, only slightly larger. This is by no means a bad thing, as the Note 8 display was superb and will only be better with HDR10 support. It's also safe to assume the Note 9 will be drawing upon the latest Qualcomm tech, specifically the Snapdragon 845 processor clocked at 2.8 GHz. Given Samsung's penchant for using non-Qualcomm processors outside of the US, these are likely to have an equivalent Exynos 9810. This is likely to be supported by 6 GB of RAM and 512 GB of built-in storage, with the option of expanding this further with SD cards, and will almost certainly run Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box.